Imagine living in a quiet desert town, but hearing a constant low rumble that no one can explain. Since the early 1990s, residents of Taos, New Mexico, have reported a strange humming sound. Some say it feels like a distant engine running. Others describe it as a vibration that never stops. Scientists investigated using sensitive microphones and equipment, but nothing unusual was recorded. The hum seemed real to people but invisible to technology. Even today, the Taos hum remains a puzzle. Is it a natural sound, secret technology, or something we simply don't understand yet? If you were there, do you think you'd hear the hum?